There's a question I keep getting in DMs, in emails, in sales calls. Why is this so personal to you? And I think the better question is, why did it have to be? Why did it have to be so personal? Because the healing was earned, not given. Hello Spirito, the origin story, a reckoning. My life looked great on paper. I cleared my student debt twice over. I had 6 figures in the bank, enough for a down payment on a home. I traveled the world at a whim, lived in luxury resort-style living for over a decade. Fancy dinners and designer were just a regular Tuesday. And it wasn't just me. My entire friend group was single women in their 30s, earning well above the average. Top 3% of female earners, all of us. But none of us could afford to buy a home in the neighborhoods we actually spent our time in. We could travel, but we couldn't own anything. I worked so hard to get there. Nothing was handed to me. I found a way to build a life everyone around me couldn't believe. I had it handled. When anyone needed anything, they came to me. I was the one who pushed through. I was the one who proved it could be done until I walked away. But by the time I walked away, I had no choice. I didn't listen when my health failed. I didn't listen when my mental health crumbled. I kept pushing. I kept performing. I kept proving my worth. How could I walk away from the life everyone wanted for themselves? Then COVID happened. And for a moment I saw it. I could get more done than most. There were better, more efficient ways of doing business. But the world wanted to get back to normal. Multi-year leases needed to be filled. And when we went back, the grind just got harder, for no reason. My internal system could not handle it anymore. I tried to hold on even when everything inside me was screaming to leave. I had no other choice. I spent 3 years doing the work I put off for over 30. Every trauma, every moment, I just pushed forward. Instead of processing, it hit me at once. It took 3 years. It cost me over $500,000 to learn these lessons. But it means you do not have to do it the hard way. The light is coming. After hitting rock bottom, I started doing the work. I realized there wasn't a tool to document this journey. So I created the 13 Moons of Tarot journal. Then came the Oracle deck. I wanted to look at every angle. It dissected the human experience and answered from different angles and modalities. Now the decks coincide with a novel. The lore, it became my way of healing. Trauma recovery in a digestible format, like science fiction or fantasy. The Hello Spirito universe is me, reimagined. Every story is a shadow I finally turned the lights on. My biology was never a good fit for that grind. The blueprint to sovereignty is me doing what I do best, systematizing a process. I want to help women who are where I was. I see you. I was you. Something feels like it broke. A gear I no longer had access to. I felt broken, but I wasn't. I was completely disconnected. The sovereign woman was screaming. I found a way to duplicate in months what took me years. I lived it. I'm providing a safe place for you to explore before your world collapses like mine did. Hello Spirito is me. The lore, the tools, the sovereign audit. It's all personal because it's me. Every deck, every module. It's my gift to you. My only goal is that this message reaches you before you go through it the hard way, like I did. The sovereign audit is now open. Hello Spirito.